Welcome back, this is Elsam. Today we are going to be solving this exponential problem. As you can see, it says 8 raised to power x minus 2 equal to 48. Yeah, if you're excited to solve with me, let's go. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to keep getting interesting solutions to mathematical problems. Let's go. Solution. Now remember this law of indices. That says if you have a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n, that will give you a m minus n. That's m minus n. So if you remember this law of indices, we're going to apply it now here. So this is our a, m, and n. So let's apply it. So this will give us 8 raised to power x, that's m, divided by 8 raised to power 2 equal to 48. Yes. And from here now we can cross multiply so that 8 raised to power x will be equal to 48 multiplied by 8 raised to power 2. Yes. Now, we can introduce logarithms to both sides so that logarithm can allow us bring this x down, and then we'll start looking for a way to isolate it. So from here, we can add logarithms to both sides. So log 8 raised to power x is equal to log, what we have here is 48 multiplied by 8 raised to power 2. Okay. Now there's this law of logarithm that says if you have log a raised to power n, this can be written as n log a. That's this n now can be brought down here, and then there's a popular law of logarithm. So let's apply it here to bring this x down. So in here we'll have x log 8 equals to log 48 multiplied by 8 square. And then we can just divide both sides. We can just divide both sides by log 8, and then x is isolated. So let's do that. So if we divide both sides by log 8 divided by log 8 cancels log 8, and then what we'll have, let me take it up now. What we'll have is x equal to log 48 multiplied by 8 square divided by log 8. Now, our basic laws of logarithm, remember this law. If you have log a plus log b, it will give you log a multiplied by b. So log a multiplied by b can be broken down into log a plus log b. Okay, I'll just be introducing the laws, I'll apply them, I'll continue. So let's go. So this can be written as x equal to our basic fraction. We should know that. So log 48 plus log 8 square over log 8. Okay, so this has become this following this law. Now we can split this fraction. So we have x equals to log 48 over log 8 plus, on this other side we have log 8 square over log 8. Okay, before we come here, let's settle this side. So remember this law of logarithm we applied earlier. Okay, I rubbed it. It allows us to bring this 2 down this way, just the way we brought our x. We will brought this x down this way. We can bring this 2 down. So this will give us x equals to log 48 over log 8 plus 2 log 8 over log 8. That's the 2 comes down, so that should be obvious by now. So this 2 can be taken care of. That's log 8 and log 8 cancels, and then we have 2 left. Now if you look at 48, 48 can be written as 8 multiplied by 6 for 48, right? So can I write down here? Okay, so from here, we can say x equals to log 6 multiplied by 8 for 48. So 6 multiplied by 8 is 48, divided by log 8 plus 2. Remember, this log 8 and log 8 they've cancelled each other, so we have 2. Now let's apply this same law again. A, B, and A plus B. Let's apply it here again. So let's move up. So this will give us x equal to log 6 plus log 8. That's 6 multiplied by 8. So we're applying this law now. So log 6 plus log 8 all over log 8 plus 2. Okay, so let's split this fraction again. So x is log 6 over log 8 plus log 8, the second one now, over log 8 plus 2. And now log 8 here 1, log 8 here 1. So this will give us x equals to log 6 over log 8 plus 1 plus 2. That's this is giving us this one plus this 2. And then our final answer will be, okay, maybe not final answer, log 6 over log 8 plus 3. Okay, if you remember our change of base, this x can be written as log 6 base 8 plus 3. So I think I can confidently say this is the final answer. But it might not look like what you're expecting. All right, so let's prove it. Now, our original question says 8 raised to the power x minus 2 equals to 48. So let's pick this left-hand side, place our x, which is log 6 base 8 plus 3, into our x, and see if the entire answer, when we resolve it, it will give us 48. So let's do let's prove that. Okay. Now, before we do that, let me explain this law of logarithm quickly. There's a law of logarithm that says if you have, let's say, a raised to the power log, let's say p base a. Watch. A is having a power of a log whose base is the same as a. Your answer is p. It's just like this log a is cancelling with the a. Your answer is p. So bear this in mind, bear this law in mind as we proceed. So let's pick our left hand side. Can I see right here? Okay, so what we have is 8 having a power of x minus 2, and now we have our x as log 6 base 8 plus 3. So if we place this x here now, let's see if it will give us 48 on the other side. So let's go. So this will give us 8 raised to the power log 6 base 8 plus 3. This is our x now. Remember, then minus 2. So this is our x. Then we still have a minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is obviously 1. So what we'll have now is 8 raised to the power log 6 base 8 plus 1. And remember the first law of indices, that if you have, let's say, p raised to the power x multiplied by p raised to the power y, it will give you p x plus y. So if you have a p having x plus y, you can split it into p raised to the power x multiplied by p raised to the power y. So let's do that here. So this will give us 8 raised to the power log 6 base 8 multiplied by 8 raised to the power the other side 1. Right? Now remember this law. You have 8 raised to the power log 6 base 8. So if the number raising the having the power, which is a logarithm, has a base of 8, sorry, if the what I'm trying to say is that if the base of the log is the same as the number raising that log, it cancels this way. That's the best way I will explain it. And then you have 6 here multiplied by 8 raised to the power 1 is 8, and 6 multiplied by 8 is 48. And I remember we're supposed to prove that this is equal to 48. So proven. So I remain Elsam. Kindly subscribe to this channel to keep getting interesting solutions to mathematical problems.